Okay everyone, so you heard the sound clip on the 2018 Scat Pack of before, so just stock everything on there. Let me get under here for you guys. We just removed took it down to Brothers Muffler in Fontana. They did great work on my Expressman. We used to have an older gentleman that used to do all of our hot rods that we worked on, but Brothers Muffler definitely does a very good job, so if you are in Fontana, go check them out. We had the mid mufflers cut off and then took the resonators out, just ran a straight pipe out the back. It's not extremely loud, especially with this stupid exhaust law in California, so we don't want to attract too much attention to us. So that is the nice thing about the Scat Pack. It does have the active exhaust valves in the rear. So just SOP loudmouth, center in, center out, 2.5 inch. Nothing crazy. And then we did the blue anodized tips just to break it up. I mean, everybody and their mama wants to run chrome or, you know, black. I mean, we were even thinking about getting this all powder coated red, which I don't know. I don't know if that'll look gaudy, but just wanted to break it up. I really like these tips. They stay really clean. We're going to ceramic coat them. So just remove the rear resonators and stuff like that. So it's just stock 2.5 inch piping, but we are going to be purchasing the catless mid pipes. I have to see which company we're going to go with, but you know, that is the best way that we've seen to gain power on these Scat Packs. And doing a lot of research, we have found a tuner that we're going to be using out of Georgia, has some world record Hellcat Scat Pack stuff like that. So we're not doing anything crazy on this build engine wise as of right now. We might eventually, when Kenny Bell comes out with the proper supercharger for this, because they offer supposedly superchargers like from Pro Charger and stuff, but Kenny Bell is right down the street from us. We went and spoke to them, and on the 2018 it is a slightly different engine platform. So they said conservatively we are coming out with a blower supercharger. I think these things can run about 8 psi safely. So as of right now, we just did some catch can and cold air intake, stuff like that. We're not doing long tube headers right now. We're just going to do the catless mid pipes, get a little bit better flow out of the exhaust, get it all tuned correctly and everything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down. We'll do a quick cold start, and then I'll get a couple driving sound clips and stuff like that. So stay tuned for all that. Here we go.